everyone, welcome to my channel, Naturally Hay. So I haven't done a cooking with hay video in a while, so I was like, found a new recipe. I think I know what I want to make. So in today's episode of Cooking with Hay, I will be making salmon sliders. So first off, I got some salmon, go over everything I got. Right here, this is salmon from Trader Joe's, fresh Atlantic salmon, and I got some Hawaiian bread. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to make my sauce. The kind of sauces I seen online was kind of like a Creole sauce, but I don't know how to make that, or I don't know what they use, so I'm about to just whip up what I think is gonna be good. Ranch right here, and some hot sauce right here. So I'm gonna just mix those two together, and then put them in the buns when they come out, and we can see how it come out. So let's see. So just to show y'all how my food turned out, I like my salmon well done, and I got my buns over there. So it's time for the most important part and the best part, which is time to eat. So let's see how it turned out. I'll put me a little salad on the side. So let's see. These are actually really good. Like, they hella good actually. So for this to be my first time making this turned out really good. Like, it's juicy. The salmon is really juicy. The sauce is good. I like spicy food, so I know the sauce is gonna taste bomb. Definitely try this at home. This is a meal that takes like 30-45 minutes. So yeah, so thank you for watching again. Make sure you like this video if you do, and comment down below if you have any suggestions, or if you try the same recipes. So yes, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button.